This is the write-up for the kinetic text animation problem. It'll be called provided with a string such as amazing and a color such as blue. Or the second example I'll show you, string is this is really cool in the color of red. Your function will take therefore two parameters, text and color, and it will actually work exactly as given here. It'll call step animation run of your animation function with the width of 500, height 250, timer delay 25 milliseconds, text and color. You're of course going to write the kinetic text animation function, but don't forget to include this display kinetic text function as written here. Okay, so here we are. When you write the kinetic text animation, it's going to have 5 different phases. Each phase is going to, and then those 5 phases will repeat over and over again. Each phase will last for 50 steps for the phase label. Okay, so the phase label, which we see right here, is going to start coming out at us. Here it comes. And when it gets nice and large, it goes back small and gets large again. And this repeats 4 times. Okay, and then after the 4th time, you get into the actual phase. So after 50 steps, to be more precise, now in the first phase it says highlight each letter and do this 6 times. But prior to that, let's actually go back and watch what this phase jumping out at us really looks like when you run it. So I'll say go, now it comes, out it comes, out it comes, out it comes, and I'll pause. And now 6 times you're going to highlight each individual letter. So you highlight the first letter, step, 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 step. And you have to the total number of steps for each phase is 30 times the length of the text in characters. Since we're doing this 6 times, that means for this particular phase, it's going to be 5 steps per highlight. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so now we go ahead and continue running and highlights to 6 times. And then we'll get into phase 2. We'll have the phase 2 splash, right? And the phase 2 splash says 4 times goes, and now we're in phase 2. In phase 2, what you do is you draw 2 different sizes of this string to create this effect of the string infinitely coming at you. I'll just show you the effect. Which brings us then to phase 3. And in phase 3, the 4 times it comes out. And now what's going to happen is letters are going to fall into place, even indexes fall down, odd indexes go up. It's 2 times. So when we say go, set the number of steps accordingly, steps per fall and per rise. Okay. Now we're in phase 4. In phase 4, you're going to have the letters go in a clockwise direction, and you're going to highlight the letter near 6 p.m. and highlight it in gray, not at 6 p.m., but when it's near 6 p.m. You're going to have them go around exactly 2 times. So I say go. You can see how this works. And then finally in phase 5, you're just going to have the text say time to start over, and it's going to disappear back like such. And then of course, we're back into phase 1. Now I should add that in each phase, there's this black text at the top left. This one says highlight each letter, do the 6 times. Don't forget to add that black text. If you can go back into the video to see what it was in each one. And in phase 2, the text says simulate infinitely expanding text by drawing 2 different size texts. Don't forget that. And then phase 3, it says slide letters into place, even indexes go down, odd go up. Do this 2 times. And finally, in phase 4, it says rotate clockwise, highlight letter near 6 p.m. Do this 2 times. Okay. And now, as you can see, this is just running again with a red string, and it's a different string. And so, of course, you can't highlight the actual string being used or the color of the string. And that is that. Good luck.